Hello guys, welcome back to a new channel Android Router. In this video we are going to look how to get free Google Play gift card or Amazon gift card or anything free Paytm cash with this money making application. So this is a newly launched application known as the app is named like Funny Box. In this you can first I open the interface and you can see a Facebook login button, and just you need to click that Facebook login and just you need to sign up. And while scrolling down you can see many tasks like install and register, and you can see New York, and also in that downside you can see two columns like task and activity. In that if you are clicking the activity you can see like watch and earn and just subscribe, and there's more options like that. So I am clicking the watch and watch the video, get more points. That means watch and earn option. And other one is I am going to look into the redeem section. While looking into the redeem section we can see a 25 rupees Amazon gift card minimum redeem worth of 608 I think 680 points. That means 680 points. I have earned 3 points now. Only some points are only needed that we can earn via reference and another option. Task and earn options is there. Lot more offers are giving. So it's a must try application for many looters. That means you can try the application and just need to work out in this application. That means you need to just focus in this application and more money. Means you need to get more points and just convert that points into Amazon gift card. And after that if you need to get Google Play redeem code, you just click that redeem the 25 rupees of Amazon gift card into Amazon Pay balance and just convert. You can search any product like Google Play redeem code in the search product search like we are doing in the normal daily basis anything, and you can search Google Play redeem code in Amazon app and just you can see the product and click on that and just you can redeem into the email ID. Just enter the email ID and pay with 25 rupees of this gift card. So you can easily convert into Google Play redeem code. The redeem code will receive in your email ID. That time you need to enter your email ID while buying the Google Play redeem code from Amazon Pay application or website, anything. Okay, and downside we can see a rupees 100 Paytm cash. And another one I'm going to look is the another task office, that means offer wall. You can see many offer walls, and at this time being there is no survey option available. I think it's because of the app rest anything whatever it's, so we can just skip that part. Survey is not working now. That doesn't mean it is not totally supported survey. It will bring more surveys in the future after the updates of this application. In this first interface you can see some trading cryptos, install and register jobs. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and share. So this is Android Router signing out.